Case study number 1, a simple report by shortcode. You've been asked to pull a report by transit showing the number of trip plans and trip information requests that have been completed by 3-in-1 per month for all of 2021. To complete this, we will require the CRM ticket data source. We'll start by navigating to the Tableau website and to the Explorer menu. From here, we will click New and select Workbook. It'll ask us to connect to a data source. We are going to choose the OCDH Hubba Service Tickets 311 VW. Select it and hit Connect. Now you should see a blank page with a bunch of table references on the side and a blank canvas in the middle. In the tables list, you will see measures in blue and values in green at the bottom of the list. We're going to start setting up the report by dragging the date created to the filters pane. We'll select years, click next, and then select 2021 and click OK. Next, we'll set up the months. We'll drag date created to the rows shelf, and this will show the year. To expand down to the month, we just simply have to click the plus sign on year to show the quarters, and then the plus sign one more time to show the months. Next, we'll add some values. If we scroll down to the bottom of the list, we'll find number of records. We can drag number of records onto the text card on the marks pane. When we release, we'll see some values inserted. This is unfortunately not yet transit related. It shows all of the tickets for the department. Our next step is to filter the data for only the trip plans and trip information requests. So we're going to scroll up in our list of measures, and to find the code, we'll drag the code to the filters, and this will display a list of all of the shortcodes. We can scroll through the list to find the ones that we want, or we could simply search for them. So I'm going to search for TP and click it, and then I will search for TB and select that one as well. And then I'll hit OK. It's now been filtered to show only trip plans and trip information requests. Our last step is to add some totals. So we're going to click on the Analysis tab at the top. We're going to select Totals, and as I drag it towards the table, we get a list of subtotals, column totals, or grand totals. I'm going to select Subtotals and release. This will add a total per quarter as well as a grand total at the end. We need to give our report a name. We can do this by double-clicking on Sheet 1 in the tab row and typing in the name of our report. Press Enter, and you'll see it appear at the top of the sheet. Next, we can save this. So if we go to File, Save As, we can either save it into your personal space or into the space that I provided in the Team Lead and Manager folder. The name of the report should be the year, the month, and then the day, followed by your name and the name of the report. And then simply hit Save. As this data source updates every day at 11 a.m., this report will also continue to update every single day. The last thing that we should do is collect the share address. So if we go to the Go to Workbook at the top once you've saved it, this will open a new tab with the view of our workbook. If we actually then go into the one that we created, we can click on Share, and we just simply have to copy this link. And this link can be shared with anybody via email or text message, and they'll be able to open this report and see the exact same information that you see.